Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of my favorite cases and protection covers for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, but the 2021 model. If you guys don't remember, when the 2021 12.9-inch iPad Pro launched, there was a big thing about the fact that Apple increased the size just a hair to help accommodate that larger mini LED display that was included inside. The brightness can go up a little more for you guys. Looks prettier now, right? Anyway, Apple increased the thickness just a hair, which meant a lot of accessories didn't support the new 12.9-inch iPad Pro. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through several cases that have been updated already to take advantage of the new larger size of the iPad Pro. Now, the first one that we have to start with, because of course, is Apple's own Magic Keyboard. So Apple did update the Magic Keyboard this year with a brand new color, white. Aside from the new white color, not much has changed here. It still works pretty much the same, can fold completely flat. You got a few different angles that you can adjust your iPad to, and the iPad can come off easily because it just holds in via magnet. It's super easy to use, and of course we have this wonderful keyboard down here, backlit keys, control keys, command keys, everything you need, and we have a touch pad as well, so you can use this trackpad to traverse the system using multi-touch gestures to move around, all sorts of fun stuff. It's like really hard to do this like in a camera, upside down, all sorts of switched around. But yeah, this is the updated Magic Keyboard. Nothing changed functionally, but I still love it. It's still a fantastic piece of kit, and the fact that it was updated in white looks amazing. So I do like the new white color on Apple's Magic Keyboard. So next up on our list is ESR. ESR has a bunch of different cases. So I want to walk through some of my favorite ones. First, this guy here on the top, super simple. It's this frosted shell. So you can still see your Apple logo through the back, and it has the protection there for Apple Pencil to nestle in. So your Apple Pencil is going to be safe, but just a back shell. So it keeps your screen free in a light, really light shell for your iPad. Next, we've got this guy here, which is just kind of a simple folio. We have the easy access to the buttons up the front. This can fold back and wrap around back to give you a bit of a stand, so you can type on it, watch video on it, anything like that. It's a very soft shell one, and the front has like this microfiber lining, always great to have. Then we have this one here, which is, I believe, a faux leather. We're going to go with faux leather here, but it covers the front. This is a little bit more upscale, more classy. Still has this wrap on the front, which is really nice, if you can see on the camera, to wrap your Apple Pencil in. So your Apple Pencil can sit there, can wrap it so it doesn't fall off while it's in your bag. It wraps around, and you have like a dark frosted shell on the back. Again, just like a little bit more like a classier solution than just the straight plastic, just like the black leather and frosted back. Then this guy is probably one of the most capable, very popular design. Folio style, solid back, but it has this back piece, so it folds, and this comes out, so you can adjust it to whichever angle you need. So very handy there, Apple Pencil holder in the back, nice one. But my favorite of them all, which I like, I'm a simple guy, so this is my favorite. Really easy. There's not a lot of protection to it because I like minimal. It is all magnetic. So it's kind of like just this folio that goes on. There's no clips or anything. Your iPad just sits right in there, covers up, protection, Apple Pencil holder along the side, and this front part can fold back to prop up and use your iPad as a display. So very easy there as well. I just like these simple kind of cases. It works very elegantly, super nice. So yeah, this is probably one of my go-tos for the new iPad Pro, just because the whole thing is magnetic. It makes it really easy to use. So these are the new cases from ESR that have already been updated for the new iPad Pros. Quite honestly, I couldn't well do a iPad case video without including Otterbox. This is the Symmetry 360 Elite case. An Elite it is. It has a fantastic leather feeling front. I don't know if it's real leather or not, but it feels great. If it isn't real leather, it's a very high quality faux leather, but it just feels and looks fantastic. The inside is microfiber, of course. The back here is clear, so I can see my Apple logo. We know what we're sporting here. Full access to everything. The back can fold back here, just like a lot of them can, to pop up as a display. But check this out. This is such a cool random feature. This edge here, right? This is where your Apple Pencil would go. Normally you can't, if this is here, you can't charge it. This comes out. Look, it's got magnets, kind of like the top of the Yetis, like the mag lock lids. It pops out, and then I can throw my Apple Pencil, but then my Apple Pencil can slide into there and lock into place, so it doesn't go anywhere. And then you can just take your Apple Pencil out, and this can magnetically shut close. It is the coolest Apple Pencil cover holder that I have seen. I love it. So yeah, this is the Symmetry 360 Elite from Otterbox. This case here is the darling of Amazon. Everybody loves it. This is the Zugu Case updated for the new 12.9-inch iPad Pro. And there's a reason people love these things. So of course we do have some Apple protection here. With extra sides, it prevents the pencil from sliding around, doesn't go either side, and it can't come out, but it still is very easy to pull. The little touches are what make this case so amazing. We have these ridges down the front, which are very easy for it to lock into, as you'll see in a second. To open it up, a lot of the other ones, you may have even seen me struggling a little bit in this video to pull up the edges. Not the Zugu Case, because there's a little bit of a lip right there. A little bit of a lip. Makes it super easy to open this thing up. Really nice kind of patterns on the interior. I like that. As we turn this around, you can see the back, which has this magnetic panel that opens up. Nice strong magnets. There's venting in the back to help this thing not get too hot in there. But this flap goes down. It can put into all of these. And it's one of the sturdiest, rock solidest cases I felt. I'm throwing this thing around. It can go super low as well and still feels super, super sturdy as it is. Like, I love this case for how great that is. I mean, it is one of its best features. It's amazing. So yeah, this is always a reliable case to pick up, and now that it's been updated for the new iPad Pros, I can wholeheartedly recommend it to all of you out there. Again, another staple that needs to be in this video, that is this guy here from 12 South. This is the BookBook line for the iPads, and it's just gorgeous. I always love these. You have space up at the top for papers. You have a place to put your iPad Pro in here. When your iPad Pro is in here, it easily looks just like a book. There's nothing kind of weird going on. It looks like a book, and this is sitting down. There's chances someone just can walk right by. But I mean, you have this amazing spine design. They update these each time, so they have always unique spines on these guys. They have all this nice leather work, the little gold touches around, the stamping on the edges. I love the freaking BookBooks, and yeah, so these are an easy one just to set your new iPad Pro in. Finally, we have this fella right here. We're gonna go ahead and open it up, and we're gonna pop on our iPad Pro, which works very similar to Apple's own. This is the new Brydge Pro Max Plus, I believe, for the iPad Pro. And it has been updated to work with the updated iPad Pros. They added some extra tolerance in here so it would fit, even though it was launched before the new iPad Pros came out. Look at this gigantic trackpad. It is amazing. It is so great. It's far larger than Apple's own on their Magic Keyboard, and this is much less expensive. So for me, this is probably one of the best ones. If you're looking to save a little bit of money, but you want all this productivity benefit, yes. So you have your keyboard here. When it's closed, it protects the front of your iPad. Of course, has this back panel as well. Just makes it really, really useful. And yeah, this thing is great. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm really stoked that we can share it in this video of our favorite iPad Pro cases and covers. So that covers it. These are my favorite cases and covers and keyboard cases so far for Apple's 12.9-inch 2021 iPad Pro. But of course, there are a lot more out there, so let me know down below in the comments what your favorite case is for the new iPads, and if you picked any of these up, let me know, and there's also, of course, links down below in the description.